Jump Out TV production, viewers and subscribers, back with a hot new video. Another one, people. In today's video, we want to talk about Foota hype, the viral king. People, we see some video with Foota hype where in the video look disturbing. It look like say Foota hype sick on a different level. And sickness is something when nobody no have control over. So we no wish sickness pan nobody. We know say Foota hype diabetic. The youth have diabetes. And on a different level, back in the days, Foota hype have strokes, allegedly. But now we are see some side effect from the strokes. People, Foota hype have a big patch pan him face. Wanna see in the thumbnail. One side of Foota hype face look like say it drop. One of Foota hype lip pan a certain side look like say it drop down. People, it look like say the nerves in a Foota hype face dead. It look like say Foota hype no have full control over him face. It look like him have a second strokes or a second stroke pending. We don't know if this are the second one or the third one. Foota hype talk everybody business and have everything to say about everybody, but him now say nothing about him fitness. We see one Kevin come out here and say Foota hype, go check out your health. The internet or the internet and people troll each other, but go check out your health. Even Mr. Vegas come out and say Foota hype a drool. Crazy water a run out of Foota hype mouth. Pause. At the end of the day, people been a tell Foota hype say check him health and him health come first. Foota hype is a youth where always have things to say about people, whether negative or positive, whether pros or con, whether him like them or him dislike them. But we see say Foota hype look like say him a fall apart right in front of our very face. The man look like say him a disappear. The man look like a shell of himself. And people been a tell Foota hype say if you left the internet, leave the internet alone and go pay attention to him health. Yes, we know say Foota hype always in a mix-up and passa and him a the viral king. Crazy youth using videos for make money. But at the end of the day, Foota hype fi understand say in health come first. You have certain people where them no know how to take break from the internet. Certain people make the internet use them instead of them using the internet. Certain people can't do without the internet. Some people love the attention from the internet. Whether it being negative or positive, them love the mix up, them love the passa. Certain people is actually addicted to the internet. The internet can be a very addictive place. You have some people where every minute they must be there in them phone. Every minute they must be there on the internet or scroll. Some people can't go an hour without them phone. Some people, them phone control them. Some people, if them name not in the algorithm, or if nobody now call up them name or mention them name, them people feel lost and feel like say them not have no purpose. Foota hype is an individual like that. Him now listen. Him feel like saying can't tell people anything and people feel listen to him and he feel like him smarter than everybody else. It look like say the internet is therapy for Foota hype. Him love the attention but people see him face and people see him lips and people see say something wrong with him. Him have certain sickness or some type of sickness when not disclose with the public. Yes, that I'm personal life, and him not have to make people know where him a go through, but leave the internet alone. Give the internet a break. Certain people cannot live without the internet. Enough of them people here where you see company internet a show money, house, car, jewelry, a drink, crazy liquor. Enough of them people here sick inside. Enough of them people here are hurt inside. Mentally, emotionally, mental health is real. Enough of them people here want to sit on the internet. Once them turn on the camera, them behave like say them life are the best. Them behave like say them a live the best life in the world. Them behave like say boy them life is so wonderful. But if them phone battery dead, them depression a go kill them. Some of them people here, if them not have no data or no data, problem I got did it. Some of them people here, if the internet go down for a day, problem I got did it. Some of them people here no have no social life. The only life where them live upon the internet because them feel like say them better than certain people. They can come and hype on certain people. Enough of them people here no have no life. When I see Jump Out TV and I make a video, when me not there work, me I go play basketball, cause basketball are my sports. When me not play basketball, me gone fishing. Me love catch, swim around, pause. Fishing are my thing. When me now go fishing, me I go hunting, me I go movie, me I go bowling, or me bring my son to the park, or me go spend some family time, do something for enjoy myself. Enough of them people I want to see on the internet, them not have no social life, them not have no life off of the internet. Enough of them woman here too, when you see them turn on them phone, a peer filter, them have to put on. Some of them people here ugly in a real life. Some of them people here miserably in a real life. Some of them people here have to smoke every day, drink every day. Some of them people here have to use certain influence for actually drown them depression. Them people here depression depend on a different level. So enough time them depend on the internet, I interact with certain people, I hit keep them going. I mean, if Foota hype is sick, which when I wish sickness upon nobody, but health is wealth. Foota hype need to vacate the internet. Come see crazy people in the comment section are asking about the patch, and them are black people and are this people. People are asking how we mouth look so, how we mouth hang down. Foota hype out here we know how to solve every problem. We beat everybody in the book. Every day and beat Kartel, in beat him baby mother. In beat scatter, in beat Andrew Wholeness, in beat labor right, in beat this a person, that the person, while most of them people look like say them in a better health. Every day out here beat fish, in my beat chichi man, and you know we not support them thing there, a fire. But at the end of the day, your health come first. Give the internet a break. Cause the internet thing here, sometime it will get to your head. Enough time me out here, me not make no video. Me take all a day or 2 or 3 or a week. Sometime me take all a month. Sometime me take all 2 months. Sometime me have to take all a vacation. Sometime me have to go so bam and say Alaska, here I come. Sometime me there in Alaska kickback for all a whole month. Rent all a cabin. Rent a Airbnb in Alaska where me no have no power. So no phone now work. See no TV. Just your radio with your battery. And you have to go look fire stick. And you go supermarket. Sometimes me just go off the grid. So me can just see nature. So me can just see wildlife. So me can just be among the trees. Sometimes you need a break. Sometimes you have to take a vacation and go somewhere else. Sometimes you have to detox your brain. Sometimes you have to cleanse your brain from the internet. Because some of the time, too much gossip, too much mix up, too much passa will drain you. That's why anytime you see Jump Out TV production make a video, me always I try put some positive in a hit. All when I mix up, me put some positive in a hit. Sometimes you have to cleanse yourself from the internet. The internet will break you and drain you and get to you. Sometimes if you follow internet, you don't know real life from the internet life. Sometimes you feel like you're in the matrix. Sometimes you have to escape. And certain people like a Foota hype cannot leave the fucking internet alone. All with a big patch, I try hold up one side of your face before you go eat healthy, go exercise, go a doctor, relax yourself, relax your mouth. When you are get paid if you do select a job that are your bread and butter, you have to feed yourself, you have to feed your family, you have bills, but just come out here talk. You find all problem with Lisa Hanna. Well, Lisa Hanna in her 50s and you in your 40s, but Lisa Hanna in a better health. Lisa Hanna look good and sexy for her age and turn good. You have problem with everybody, but you don't know how to fix your problem. While you focus on people problem, your problem did it affect you. Cause if me has certain problem, me give the internet a break. Me go focus on my problem, fix my problem, focus on my health, make sure say me health good. But people been attacked, say Foota hype a fall apart right in front of them eyes. Foota hype look like a shade and a shadow of himself. When Foota hype attack, it look like one eye lip now move. It look like one eye side eye face now move. It look like Duppy box him or something. Or when the alien them did visit him. Yes, we know say allegedly he have a stroke before, but no, we are see the side effects of it. But no, we are said to him, brother, go sit down, go build, go rest. Me no care what you want to do with your life or your life. Just like how you want to tell people what to do. People can't tell you what to do too. If you want to hear and for your business, and bring me go a pause. So at the end of the day, bro, go rest yourself. Leave the internet alone. You look like Foota hype life in a danger. The man look stressed out. The man look miserable. The man look unhappy. Years ago, you could have look and see say Foota hype happy, but now it look away. Me no know if the ancestors them gone left you. Me no know if you now listen to the ancestors them. Me no know if somebody else ancestors shot you a box, bro. But go pray your health. As me say, we no wish sickness upon nobody. Give the internet a break. The internet will always be here. You have yourself to live for, and you have your kids them to live for, and people will respect you and love you where you take care of. The internet is like Foota hype Coca-Cola. The man addicted to it. The worst thing them do are make smartphone. Worst thing them do are make social media. Foota hype no one left IG. He no one get a break. Bro, I know everything good for it, good for talk. I know everything where you have problem with, you for talk. Sometimes you for see and blind, hear and deaf. And crazy people we see we come before you. We talk, and lose them life. Certain things you for love and leave alone. And at the end of the day, this is my problem with so-called intelligent people. I know everybody you can save. When you teach, I know everybody are going to learn. Some people learn slower than others. Some people learn faster than others. That's when you go high school, they have 7-1A, 7-1B, 7-2, 7-3, 7-4, 7-5. The one them with dunce, go all the way at 7-5. The faster learner them, you put them at 7-1A. The slightly faster one, 7-1B, and so on. But if you didn't have the fast people them willing to learn and want a slow one, a whole backy class, and you try help the slow one, it go affect the fast one them. So you have to deal with people by stages. Know who you can save and know who you cannot save. Who willing to learn? Teach them. Who not willing to learn, leave them alone. Foota hype and everybody you can help. And it's not every time you learn something, you try push it on people and try teach people. Sometimes wisdom, knowledge, and understanding and humility make you learn. And you learn certain things and you just watch some people drop in a hole because you don't know already. Say them no want to learn and they no want to listen to you. But Foota hype, give the internet a 1 or 2 month break. Go work on yourself. That big patch there where you have on your face no look normal. Me never see that yet. You no crash off on a bike. You no crash off on a bicycle. Nobody no cut you in your face. Bro, it no look normal. People been I tell you. You look sick. You look hurt. Take away yourself and go work on your health. Your health come first. It no matter how much money you want to have, how much car, how much big chain, how much big watch, how much ring you can't carry with you. Your health come first. Health is wealth. One thing where every millionaire and billionaire and trillionaire dream for after when they reach certain age and about to die, them wish them could buy 10 more year, 20 more year, 30 more years. If some rich people could buy some more years, them wouldn't dead. Imagine a man reach 80 and he value 200 million. And then God said, give me 10 million, me give you 10 more years. He would buy years, every year. Man would have lived till him at 200, 300, 400. Money cannot buy life. Money cannot buy health. Certain way. Protect your health. Jump Out TV production. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm out.